In this guide, I'm going to show you how to verify your age here on iPhone. Intro. Now, in supported countries or regions, Apple may ask you to confirm your age before accessing certain apps, features, or restricted content. To do this, open up the Settings app, and you need to look near the top of the screen for a confirm age or verify your age notification. Tap on it, hit continue, and choose one of the available verification methods. Depending on your location, you may be able to verify your age using a credit card or government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. If you choose ID, just tap Next, allow access to camera, and follow the in-screen instructions to scan the front and back of the document and complete any additional identity checks. Once Apple does finish reviewing your information, your age status will be updated automatically. It's that simple. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.